Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to change the default folder location in File Explorer when you first open it. So you might have noticed when you open it, it'll either go to Home or possibly this PC, depending what you have set in your options here. You could change it to one of these two. But if you want to have it go to a custom folder, then you're going to have to do something a little extra here. So to do so, we're going to do a pretty basic registry edit here, and that way we could change it to whatever folder we like. Okay, so I have two registry files here, one to set the option and then one to remove the option. So here's what they do. And we have a default location of Windows here, which is what you're going to change to whatever folder you like. And then we have the undo option. And then we have some instructions here that I'll put in the description. All right, so first we're going to run the File Explorer default location registry file here. Say yes to the UAC prompt. Say yes to adding it to the registry, and then OK. And now, when we open File Explorer, it's set to open to Windows. And if that's what you want, that's fine. You can leave it there. But otherwise, we're going to change it. So what you need to do is navigate to this key here. So you could copy and paste this. Open Registry Editor, Reg Edit. Okay, we'll just paste it in there. Okay, so here's what was added from that registry file. So if we double click this, we could change this to, let's say we want to go to maybe our documents folder here, even though it's empty, but let's say that's what we wanted to do. So let's just copy that path there, or you could type it in manually, then just put it in here. Make sure you leave the quotes, like so. Click on OK. Now let's close this and reopen it. And now you can see it went right to the E drive to the documents folder. Okay, and then if you want to change it to something else, you could just come back here and put in your new folder. Or if you want to undo it altogether, you could run the Undo File Explorer registry file here. Go through the same process. And now when we open File Explorer, it goes back to home. Okay, so I will put a link in the description where you could download these two files, and then I'll put this in the description as well, so you could just copy and paste this key and then change it to whatever folder you like. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.